And here's what you need to know in today in weather. It's sunny, it's warm, it's dry, but daily storm chances are going to return as early as Tuesday night going into Wednesday. The good news with this is that the severe wet weather threat does look lower this time around than what we saw over the weekend. But still, several rounds of rain could lead to some areas of flooding, and I'll get to that. But first, let's go ahead and get you ready for your morning. We're looking at a blue sky overhead, temperature of 55 degrees. You might need that light jacket, might need the sweater for the first few hours of the day. I certainly grabbed mine on the way out. Winds are light today. Sunshine and light winds allow the temperature to climb all the way to 80 degrees in Dallas, 81 in Fort Worth, 80 in Denton, and 79 in McKinney. This is about 3 degrees warmer than what's considered normal for this time of the year. On your Tuesday, we're going to have a south wind. That's going to increase the temperature. It's going to increase the humidity, so it may feel a little more muggy for us here in the next couple of days, and that sets us up for a soggy second half of the week. The second half of the week, we're also looking at temperatures that are closer to normal in the upper 70s and low 80s. Here's the rain coverage. Only about 10% on Tuesday. It goes up to 30% Tuesday night, and 50% coverage to 60% coverage Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. It's not going to happen all at once, so let me show you what I mean by that. I'm going to take you to Wednesday morning around 5 in the morning, still technically Tuesday night. We're still looking at a cluster of storms pushing along areas of the Red River. This is going to be leftover from storms that develop along a dry line Tuesday afternoon in West Texas. So we'll be watching these storms moving in if they hold up. And we could see very well that a few of the outflows of these storms help generate thunderstorms during the afternoon hours Wednesday afternoon, mainly for areas southeast of DFW. At this point, we could see an isolated storm or two that contains up to quarter-size hail, up to 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. It's springtime in Texas, so we can't rule that out. But the ingredient that makes thunderstorms spin, that causes supercell thunderstorms, is lower this week. That's what we're looking at, which is good news. And this is going to be now Thursday. Thursday, we see better coverage of rain, about a 60% coverage. So we'll be watching this. And look at this, though. It doesn't look all that well developed, but at times we could see some slightly heavier rain Thursday night going into Friday morning. And then we're looking at it really thinning out throughout the day on Friday. Next 5 days, we could pick up 1 to 2 inches of rain. The highest totals will be east of the Metroplex. And as of now, it does look like that's going to help our temperature stay close to about 80 degrees. We'll still keep some of those storm chances around over this weekend into early parts of next week. And that in turn keeps our highs near 80. We're looking at really an active for next several days as far as, the potential for some scattered thunderstorms. So be sure to keep checking back in with us. Again, the severe weather threat does look lower, but of course that rain could impact your plans, and we'll time it out for you.